Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can install a garage layout in Minka's house or any other house right here to complete garage's mission here. So without further ado, let's get started. What you need to do here is you need to go to the particular garage that you want to install. In my case, it will be Minka's garage here. So Minka's house, now we're getting this little cinematic thing right here. And then I will show you what you need to do next. So then you need to go to customizable garage. Then you need to press on customize garage. Or not customize garage. You need to look for browse and manage. And then manage garages. And as you can see here, you need to purchase this to basically build a layout. I already did this. Also, you can browse community garages here. And you can install community garages also here. And after you install it, then you will complete that particular mission. So that's pretty much it.